Hey, welcome to another Mathodman production lesson. Before we start, just know that two lines are perpendicular when their slopes are opposite reciprocal. Just read the definition right above. For example, if one line has a slope of 2/3, then the other one has to have a slope of -3/2. So just like what Missy Elliott says,
put my thing down, flip it and reverse it.
just flip it and reverse it to find the perpendicular slope. Alright, I'll stop dancing. Example 1. Find the equation of a line perpendicular to y equals 1/2 x plus 3 and passes through the point -3, 2. I drew the problem below so you can kind of see what the question is asking for. There's one line, we'll just call this line 1, with the equation y equals 1/2 x plus 3. We're trying to find one perpendicular to it that passes through this point -3, 2. We're trying to write an equation for that line. We don't know what it is. We have enough information here to find what that line 2's equation is. First one is that if the slope of this is 1/2, then the slope of the one in blue, the line 2, has to be -2 because they're perpendicular. And we also know that it passes through the point -3, 2. From here, all you have to do is plug all these information in on the slope-intercept form, and we can write an equation for it. So instead of y, this is my y value right here, this is my x, and this is my m. Plug it in. 2, my m, my slope of that second line is -2, x is -3, b we don't know, that's what we're trying to find out. So from here, solve for b by simplifying. 2 times -3 is 6 plus b. Subtract 6 to both sides and you get -4 equals b. We have enough information to write the equation for that line. We have a slope and a y-intercept, so just put the two together and you have that equation that's perpendicular to that first line that we have. Y equals -2x minus 4. Don't you cheat. Please pause the video and try out the problem. Read the little hint that I gave you above and it'll help you with the solution. Once you're done, just unpause the video and you'll see your answer. Here is the answer for example 2. The first thing you had to do was find the perpendicular slope to y equals -2x plus 4. That slope's a half. When it says an x-intercept of 3, then those coordinates are 3, 0. If you have a slope and a coordinate, then we can write our equation. Plug everything into the slope-intercept form and solve for b. And you should get -3/2 as your b. Now the final thing, if you got a slope and a y-intercept, just put the two together and you get y equals 1/2 x minus 3/2, which is your answer. In conclusion, just remember that perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes, and to support me, please subscribe to Mathodman 20 for more math lessons.